Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to borrow games on Steam. Okay, so first of all, just go ahead right here to your browser, and if you want to borrow games from on Steam, what you're going to do, you get to see right here, from your library, you'll be able to see games owned by other Steam accounts that use the same computer. Select the game and click borrow to request access to that respective library, and then requesting access will send the game owner an email with a link to allow you to play games and their library. So if you want a demonstration of how it's done, you can just go ahead right here, like a demonstration. You can just go ahead to any game, right, and basically click the borrow, and from that borrow button, you're gonna be able to ask or request an access to this game. And basically afterwards, what's gonna happen, the owner of that game or owner of that device will receive an email, and then they will have that decision, or they will have the, how can I say, they will have the access to approve your request on sharing that game with you or borrowing that game to play with. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.